Hey, this is Scott from Harvest Helper. Today I'm going to show you guys 2 ways to clean a Twister T4. We're going to show you the quick clean way if you need to keep pushing and trimming and time's money. And then we're also going to keep going after that and show you if you're going to do a full detail clean. So the first thing I start with is disassembling and taking the pieces that I need to ISO wipe to be ISO wiped, and the pieces that I need to power wash, leaving over here and power washing. Take this one of these. Let's get some close-ups of that reel blade and they can see how much is on here. Close up on here. So to start with, we blow everything out really well with the air compressor, and that gets all the loose stuff off before we start washing, because if you start washing with a bunch of dry debris on there, it's going to get stuck to whatever you're washing. So it's good to scrape it off first, brush it off, and just blow it off first and then start washing. So next we're ready to scrub on the parts that we talked about to just get it cleaned up and back in running again. So that's the reel blade, the bed knife, and the tumbler. This is where all your product's going to go through, these parts right here. So we use a heated pressure washer to clean our machines because it gets it that much cleaner. If you don't have one, you can use a cold pressure washer. So if you are going to keep cleaning it after this point, then what you want to do next is just do a scrub down with the degreaser over the whole body of it, all the parts, including just flip it up and get it at different angles and everything. And then do another scrub down on your tumbler. Just one more wipe down of everything with the degreaser on the body. So at this point, when I'm doing my second scrub down on that one, I'll usually start degreasing this one and just start letting it sit. So by the time I get over here, it's already ready to wash and scrub right off. So what he's doing is going over the brush again with the degreaser. Sometimes it takes a couple, 2 or 3 times if your brush is pretty caked up to get it back to close as you can get to white again. So as I'm done washing them, I just take the pieces and I wash the water off, or I dry the water off them before I ISO them, and reason being that if the water dries on there, the water can have a lot of minerals, especially if you have hard water, and it'll dry onto it and make it look more dingy. You want to keep it really clean, towel dry when you're done. So next I blow the machine off with all the water. Allows me to get a lot of the water off initially with the air compressor. For the same reason I was just talking about, if you left this water dry on there, there's mineral deposits. Okay, so the towels I use are normal looking towels. They're surgical towels, and I buy them from window washing companies, and the reason being that they can soak up a lot of water and they don't leave behind any fibers. So you want to avoid putting direct pressure or water into the motor or into the electrical box. Don't cut through your cord. Avoid your flips switch over here. But you can wash the rest of this and you're safe to do that. We do it all the time. Like I said, just try to keep water out of your housing. So at this point, even if you have a few spots that you didn't get it all perfect with the power washing, that's what's nice about the isopropyl alcohol is you can finish that up with the ISO and get the little spots that you might have missed also. Back together as we go. So now that we got the leaf collectors back together, we put the top on it. With the lower shroud already on there because it's kind of a pain to put it on after you get it on here. He just goes ahead and wipes the rest of the pieces and we just throw them on there.